How to use the E10K as USB DAC on Windows computer. Download the USB DAC driver from our website or the description of this video, then double-click to run the driver. At the Welcome page, click Next. At the Choose Install Location page, click Install to start the installation. It's recommended to use the default install location. There might be a pop-up window appearing with a warning notice. If it appears, please simply click Install to continue. At the Complete page, click Next then Finish to complete the installation. Choose Yes in the pop-up windows. Connect the DAC to the computer via the USB cable. Right-click the sound icon in the notification area, then click Playback Devices. In the sound panel, select Q series. Click Set Default then click OK to set the DAC as default playback device. Open the Footer 2000 and select File, Preferences. Under the Output category, select the DAC from the device list, then click OK. After the above operations, you can plug your headphone to the E10K and start to enjoy the music played on your computer in high quality.